Hey, hello guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your self account, all official ways, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Method 1. Cancel self account via calling. Make sure to call from that number which is filed with your account. If not, then you will be asked to verify your identity before cancelling your account. Make a call at 877-883-0999 and press option 1. After done with your verification, you have to choose option 4 to cancel your account. Follow the instructions properly about reporting and payout. Your account will be closed on the same day at 11 p.m. Within 24 hours, you will see a payout tracker in your dashboard, which allows you to check your payment status and estimate when you will receive your funds. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your self account. If you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will try to solve your all problems. If you have any other questions, you can also make a comment. I will try to solve your any kind of problem. Okay, so I'm going to end this video over here. If you have any other queries, then you can also make a comment. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.